so today we're going to do a bubbling lava experiment. So I'm hoping that it works because you're supposed to use vegetable oil, but all I have is some olive oil. So we're going to give it a try. So I have olive oil, some water.
Wait, I actually forgot. Did we use olive oil for a different experiment?
Yes.
I forgot which one.
Me too. I have Alka-Seltzer and I have food coloring. I also have another way of doing this that doesn't involve Alka-Seltzer. So when I send the project on Hi Mama, I'll put the other way of doing it. It involves vinegar instead of Alka-Seltzer, but my vinegar is all out. So this is the only way I can do it at my house today. But I'll send you both recipes so that if you have vinegar but you don't have Alka-Seltzer, if you have Alka-Seltzer you don't have vinegar, so you'll get both recipes. Okay, ready? So pour in the olive oil.
How much?
We're probably going to need all of it.
Okay.
Okay.
It looks like it's going on the floor, but it isn't.
Right, it's a glass base.
It's reflecting.
Yeah.
So we need all of it?
Yep.
Okay.
And we ordered some more to come from PreK, so we will get a replacement soon.
You didn't have to say the name of the store.
Okay.
I'm sure they sell it at all stores.
Now you're going to put the water in. Okay. What color do we want to make it, Colin?
What color?
Yeah.
Green.
Blue. Green. Green. Okay.
What else? Oh, green. Yes, green.
Okay. So you're going to put in like 10 drops, maybe. See what color you want it to be, kind of the dark. You want to make sure that it gets. So it probably needs. We used a really big container. So keep going.
Oh my goodness.
Keep dropping.
Look what's happening today.
Yeah.
How much? Whoa.
Yeah. You probably should use a smaller container, but we used a big container.
Oh my goodness.
That way you're going to hopefully be able to see this experiment better in a big container.
Wow, amazing.
Was that amazing?
And I noticed some are floating at the top, and it's like a thunderstorm.
Oh, yeah.
Lightning. I should have chosen
Oh,
yellow.
yeah, because you can see
Now I wish I chose yellow because it would be a lot.
the food coloring is what?
I wish I had choose yellow. Then it would actually look like lightning.
The food coloring is actually getting stuck at the beginning in the oil, right? And then once the food coloring gets too heavy, it comes down into the water. So when we're doing this right now, our oil is acting like a cloud, right?
I have a question.
And once the cloud gets too full with rain, then what happens? Then it rains or snows, and then it comes down.
Are you sure we had to use the whole green thing as food?
Okay, so now,
That's what that's for.
that's what that's for. We're going to put in a drop of Alka-Seltzer and see
What's Alka-Seltzer?
what happens. Let's see.
I think I might have seen it.
Okay, you think you might have seen this before? Okay, put it in. I have more than one piece, so we'll see what happens.
I'm thinking I might have
So what's
seen
happening,
this.
Colin?
It's flowing back up.
What's floating up?
That. I think I've seen this experiment before, but it's
all bubbling, right?
I think I've done this experiment before, but
It's bubbling up. See the bubbles? Can you see the bubbles?
Yeah. I think I've done this
You
experiment.
think you've done this
before.
experiment before?
I think I have.
Ooh, look at that one. Did you see that one? It looked like a tornado, huh?
I think I've done this experiment before, like 2 or 3 months ago.
Yeah. You know what we're going to do? We're going to add a little bit more water so that you'll be able to see it better. Ready? Let's add a little bit more water.
Yeah.
That way they'll be able to see it better. Hang on. That way there's more of a separation between the water and the oil. Okay? Let's add a little bit more water. That way they will be able to see the bubbles better. Okay, so wait for all that to settle.
Should we add more Alka-Seltzer?
Yep, that's what I'm going to do.
How about this whole thing?
Yep, add that. Okay, let's see if it bubbles now that there's...
I know one thing. Never smell Alka-Seltzer.
Oh, can you see it?
Yeah. I know one thing. I smelled
Whoa,
Alka-Seltzer.
now look at it.
I know one thing. I just smelled Alka-Seltzer and never smell Alka-Seltzer.
Never smelled Alka-Seltzer?
So.
Oh, that's so cool. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it on this side too?
Not really. I don't know.
I can see it on my side really well.
Well, where's your side? Ooh.
I'm hoping that the video can see it.
Yep.
Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
We want to do it one more time?
Oh, I just saw the video.
Is it showing on the video the bubbles?
Kinda.
Kind
There
of.
isn't really bubbles in
Here we go.
anymore, but never smell Alka-Seltzer. I'm pretty sure I've done this experiment before.
You think you did this at your school maybe?
No, I think I've done this at Carl Kid's house before.
Oh. Oh, look at it. It actually looks like waves in the water, doesn't it? It's reminded me of the ocean. It's reminded me of ocean waves.
Yeah, I think I did do this before at Carl Kid's house, like 2 or 3 months ago when it was still open.
Yeah, it's totally reminded me of ocean waves. That is so relaxing to watch. We're going to put one more in and then be done.
I just saw the video and it's coming out good.
Oh, good. Let's see. We have one more.
Never smell it.
I wasn't going to.